So we've been working on here on the latest Carrera GTS. The customer's actually driven all the way over from Ireland for us to install our ultimate safety alert system, which basically comprises of the laser track flare, the latest Genevo Pro 2M and the latest generation target Blueye. So I'll just do a quick walk around of what we've managed to achieve in terms of the installation on this vehicle. So laser track flare is basically installed here at the front. There's also the hidden area for the radar detector, which is actually behind the front bumper area. And then if we go to the interior of the vehicle, so we've got target Blueye, which you've fitted up there. No visible wiring at all. You've got a nice touchscreen display, so it's very easy to gain access to. And then we've also fitted the Genevo Pro 2M right here in the centre of the dash area, and as you can see, no visible wiring at all on this particular install that we pride ourselves here at TTW. So obviously the Genevo Pro 2 is laser based GPS and radar detection. We've also linked that to the laser track flare, so any alerts and everything come through this device. You can also change the settings for the laser track flare through the Genevo Pro 2M, as well as getting other alerts for radar and the GPS based Trinity database that we offer here on this particular system. We've also got a laser track flare separate keypad, but you don't really need that, but we do have that as a backup that we fit in there, because you can obviously just use the Genevo. And then you've also got the latest generation target Blueye, which is up here, which alerts for all the safety vehicles such as ambulance, police, fire engine, everything else, which is just particularly there. So if you are interested in having this particular system installed in your Porsche or any other particular vehicle, then please give us a call here at TTW. We'll be very happy to take on the project for you.